Hi, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your old optical disk drive with SATA Caddy for extra storage. In this video, the notebook that I'll be using is Toshiba L740 from 2012. So first thing first is knowing which optical drive your laptop has. Generally, there are two types of size, the 12.7mm and 9.5mm. We will find out by unmount optical drive and measure it with ruler or other else. Firstly, flip the laptop over so the backside is facing upward, and then remove the battery. Remove center panel by unscrew 3 Phillips screw, and then find one screw that holds optical drive. Unscrew it and slide off the optical drive so you can measure it with ruler. For this laptop, it has 12.7mm thickness, so we will buy 12.7mm one. Next, after we bought it, we need to unmount the optical drive and replace it with hard disk drive Caddy that we purchased, along with additional extra hard disk drive into SATA port. And then we can reassemble the laptop. Finally, storage expand without unplug the old drive. The computer should automatically detect extra storage as this one. You can check in Windows Explorer. If your laptop doesn't detect the new drive, you can check on disk management from search bar and see where is the problem at. I hope this video will help you to change your optical drive into new SSD or hard disk drive. Thanks for watching.